Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS AMD Radeon RX 9070 and RX 9070 XT graphics card. So friend, ASUS has announced TUF Gaming Prime families featuring with the new RDNA 4 architecture, 16 GB of VRAM and HYPR-RX future set and super resolution mode that leverage machine learning, and these models are poised to give user premium gaming experience for years to come. So friend, the next generation HYPR-RX technology improve experience visually tracing. New machine learning based super resolution mode is comfortable and select FidelityFX Super Resolution 3.1 games deliver an incredible balance of detail, imagery, and fluid frame rate. Plus DisplayPort 2.1 output give user massive bandwidth for going big on resolution while supporting high-end refresh rate, and start of trio of 11 blade axial tech fan that maintain and steady high pressure stream of coding air through a massive airflow optimizing fin array. 0 dB technology allows this fan to completely stop from silent operation during light workload, and wideband on the aluminum backplate give heat an easy pathway to adjust into the main airflow channel of a chassis. So friend, the physical dual bias switch lets user choose between performance and quiet mode without installing additional software. For more performance tuning option, easy hardware monitoring and control of fan behavior, and user can download the free ASUS GPU Tweak 3 software. In this generation of graphics card, ASUS swap out the thermal paste traditionally used to transfer heat from GPU to the cooling solution. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.